everybody knows alerts are absolutely wonderful to have, but they're also horrible to have because when you get position updates every 15 minutes, you get alerts every 15 minutes. We put a lot of thought into this, and now we're putting the ability to receive your alerts back into your hands. So as you can see, I've got Fleet Carrier 1 set up here. Under here, we've added a new section called Trip Management. Under Trip Management, we give you the ability to select at a high level, what do I want to see for alerts? As you can see here, I've got a selection on the left-hand side for available, and these are the ones that I have chosen for the trip. Most importantly, that's going to allow me to pick and choose which alerts and notifications I receive, but we have this new feature called Alert Suspension in Minutes. What this is going to allow you to do, that if you get notified that a leg is going to be running late, you get a PTA alert, and you acknowledge that PTA alert, you don't necessarily want one every 15 minutes. You might want to have this come up and say, I'm only going to be reminded for this given alert 60 minutes down the road. You can change this to any variable you want, 60, 120. How often do you want to receive these alerts after you get the first one? That's the most important thing that we want to capture on. Secondly, when we go back to the trip plan, you'll see that here in the trip plan, we have various different things, features here, and I can open this up and I can actually change this at the trip plan level. I know my load's going to be running late. It's not going to make it. I'm going to come in here and I don't want any more alerts. I know it's bad. I'm going to move this out and I'm going to save and close this. So now I will receive no more alert notifications for this particular feature. I can do this for any one of the alerts and things that we have set up and run on, which you can see here. We also are updating and pulling into the same time we get alerts, projected time of arrivals and of what we're saying that the truck's going to get there. We're going to show this on the leg level so that you can have visibility to this. And also the appointment time, the ETA that a driver puts in, we can store that and you'll see this on the list as well. So this is going to give you the ability to control all the noise behind the scenes, focus on what's wildly important to you, and give that power back to your hands for controlling these features.
This feature rocks, right? To be able to manage alerts that closely, you've got complete control over the way our external systems notify you of important things around your fleet.
Absolutely.
You are in total control of the things that you need to address when it comes to managing your fleet.
This is your noise canceling headphones.